Never spread yourself too thin, all right? So you have to choose one thing and dominate it and get it done. Don't try to start two things at the same time. The man who chases two rabbits catches none, right? So what you got to do is, say you want to start a business right now, or say you want to grow a page, or say you want to, I don't know, you're trying to like do a school thing, you're trying to like pass a course or something, right? Whatever it is, decide what task you're focusing on and complete that one. Don't try to do a few tasks at the same time, right? Don't try to, you know, work on getting a fucking degree and work on starting a company and work on starting a personal brand all at the same time, because everything is going to, you're gonna have to divide your time by 3, right? And your efforts by 3 and your energy by 3. What you get extraordinary results when you decide to do one thing and you put all your energy, all your time, all your efforts into one thing. So for example, imagine if, Mark Zuckerberg, the guy who starts Facebook, imagine if he started like 10 other websites at the same time, right? Or 9 other websites, right? So Facebook was only getting 1/10 of the amount of time and energy and focus that it was supposed to get if it was just his one thing that he chose, right? So Facebook wouldn't be what it is today. Or say like with Instagram, right? Instagram wouldn't be the same thing as it is today. So what he did is he chose one thing, he grinded on it. Now it's like one of the biggest fucking websites in the world, right? So what you got to do is, if in your head you have a collection of ideas and ambitions that you want to chase, choose one and commit to it and just go full send on it, right? And don't worry about the other ones. You can do them in a sequence. So say you say first you want to build a personal brand, but you also want to do this one company. You want to start a t-shirt brand or something. Build the personal brand first, get it successful, start a goal, right? Like I want to get 100K subscribers, whatever it is. Achieve your goal, then start the second thing. You know what I mean? Like don't try to build both at the same time, because you're going to struggle and you're going to face a lot of resistance. Or start the t-shirt business first. Once it starts taking off and you're making a lot of money from it, delegate the responsibility of running it to someone else, and then start building your personal brand, right? And then you can teach, with your personal brand, you can start teaching people how to build those types of businesses, right? Just choose one thing and stick to it, dominate it, then choose something else. Don't try to do 8 things at the same time, but you can try to do them in a sequence. That's how you're going to achieve massive success. That's how you're going to get extraordinary results. So hope this helps, man. Hope you can use this advice. Decide what you're going to go full send on and put all your energy into, and cut off the rest of them. Write it down and commit to it today. Start taking action.